what my takeaway from the group is I gotta say it's you and how authentic you are and how easy you make everything feel, how approachable you make everything feel. Things that I have like held really tight because they frighten me, talking to you about them relaxes all of that. Now, as an energy person, I know when I'm, tight. Tight usually means I'm afraid, scared of something. But as soon as I can breathe into something and relax, I know that I have the right person in front of me that's helping me to do that. So whatever you talk about is the best moment in the group. Yeah. And when it's something I need, I know it even more. Yeah.
Has there been one area in particular where you feel more confident now because of working with me?
Analytics. Analytics are something that I hadn't really paid attention to until you started talking about them. And now I can actually say where my clicks are coming from, who's interested in what, so that I can better target my audience. Never would have done that before. Would have never thought to look at analytics or what is analytics. And there's a difference between actually looking at them and understanding them. That understanding part can be really overwhelming until somebody like Susan Finn comes around and says, oh no, it's really easy. Let me show you. Oh, look at that.
To have a curious mind and to kind of take a look and see what it is.
Yeah. And you figure it all out. So by the time you're teaching it, it's matter of fact.
Yeah. So thank you, Andrea. I'm so excited to
welcome.
Continue our journey together.
That's right. That's right. Very, very excited.